All right, so welcome to Tech Edify. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail account information, probably your name, and also maybe to put in your personal profile picture so that when you send a mail, people that you send the mail to, you know your identity very well. So if you have not logged into your Gmail account, I kindly recommend that you log in. So you can just go to gmail.com and then you sign in. So as you have signed into your account, you see your profile at the top right here. So what you have to do is that you just tap on it. So currently this is what you are seeing. I'm using a default profile picture. So here we want to change this to my personal photo, and then also maybe I want to update my name here. So if you want to do that, just click on the manage your account. Now, when you click on the manage account, now it will bring you onto your Google account landing page. So over here, we have the home, we have the personal information. So the personal information is where you can change your names and also even your profile picture, or maybe you want to update your contact or any other information. Now, since our demonstration is just focusing on name and the picture, so we will be focusing on the personal information. So when you come here, this is where you can change your profile. So when you tap on it, then you can begin to upload from your computer. So here you see some illustrations that you can use just as you are seeing here. So here we want to use our personal picture. So we're going to use the upload from device. So when you tap on it, you go to where your picture is located. So this is the picture that I want to use. So I'll just tap on it and just click on open. Then it will begin to upload. And now you can crop it or position the image if it looks too big. So that is it. You go to the next and now you hit on save as profile picture. And when you do that, that is how you can update your photo. So currently this will be the profile picture. Anytime that I send mail, they will see my identity very well. So here we can just close it. If you want to change your name too, you can just simply tap here and now you can update your name. So if you want to change your name, you can just change your first and your last name. Now, when you are done, make sure you click on the save to update changes. So that is just a simple way that you can update your Gmail account information, probably changing your photo and also maybe your name. There are other security things that you can do here. Either you want to change a password, you can just look at that one later. So if this video has been very helpful, please give it a thumb up and then don't forget to share it also to help others. Please subscribe if today happens to be your first time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.